in yogic philosophy, they speak about this Kundalini energy, which is a serpent energy that sits in the base of the spine. So imagine it's like coiled up, like a snake coiled up at the base of your spine. And we have chakras, which are energy centers from the base of the spine, the pelvis, the stomach, the heart, the throat, the third eye, and the crown. And this serpent sits at the base. And as we activate these chakras, it starts going up. And it starts climbing up these energy centers until it gets to the top of the crown. And that's going to be this amazing sensation that you feel in your head. It's like this awakening sensation. And this is what they believe in yogic philosophy. From a neuroscience point of view, what they understand from this is that we're actually taking cerebral fluid that starts at the base of the spine and goes up our spine and starts circulating up, and then it goes into your brain and into the pineal gland, and it basically flushes the brain and brings in new vital brain juice, right? Like with all the different vitamins and fresh blood and everything so it comes up. And this takes 12 hours for a healthy person, it takes 12 hours to go through that motion. When we do these exercises that are designed to stimulate the Kundalini to move up the spine, what we're actually doing is encouraging the cerebral fluid to move up the spine. And so we get this fluid movement, which gives us clarity of thought, which makes us less anxious, which gives us the ability to not be in the sympathetic system, rather the parasympathetic nervous system, that rest and digest. And so then we're making better choices. We're able to connect to our intuition, into, the universal cosmic energy that serves us. And we're able to be in a calmer space to kind of start taking actions that attract the best self. So this is what we're doing. So from a Kundalini yoga point of view, but also from a neuroscience point of view. And so when I tell you to focus on these different energy points, or the root chakra, and I say move up to the sacral chakra where your hips are, and then I say manipura or solar plexus, which is your tummy, and then I say move into your heart, your throat, the third eye, the crown. What we're doing is we're actually consciously taking that cerebral fluid to go up the spine, and this energetic sensation as well. What we're also doing is we're encouraging the movement of this energy upwards, because if we stay in those three lower realms, which in shamanic philosophy they talk about the snake energy being in the bottom centers, so the root chakra, the sacral, and the manipura, the first three. So just think of the first 3 points of your spine, right? When we're there and we can't move past that, we're unable to open our heart. And when we're unable to open our heart, we're unable to manifest this desired life. Yeah? So that is why it's important to consciously start moving this up and start going to a space of the heart, because that's where we are able to grant or fertilize the seeds of our desires.